Hello, welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach, and I'm going to continue on making some demos, though I don't know if this episode is going to be that long because it's getting kind of late and I'm getting kind of tired, and that's the worst time to start actually doing, um, big things, for lack of a better term. So, what I'm going to do is play around with this gui.cs thing, and we're going to make a console app. We're going to call it colats. I'm just going to call it GUI. Though, is that actually good? Yeah, because they got terminal.gui. That might not be the smartest thing in the world to do. I'm going to call it GUI client. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. And by the way, if you just saw that and what the hell did this actually just do? Which it did the wrong thing because it took away too much. But I have it so when it auto formats, it also is picking up things in editor config and auto formatting everything so that I don't have to keep changing stuff. I'm glad that 15.9 finally added that. Block body. Why would I do that? Anyway, dependencies. Let's. What is it called again? My nose is kind of like stuffy. Terminal GUI. Okay, so we'll say terminal GUI. Only 4K downloads. Well, that's just not right. Okay. I do need to do my quick edit. Lang version latest. Treat warnings as errors. It's true. Okay, and then a reference to the core. It's not going to go to the API, it's just going to go to the core. Okay, so now I got to actually play with this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just, there's like a thing in here that says just, here's some code. So this is our demo. It says here's my main. So we're just going to copy all this. And it's going to probably copy horribly. No, it didn't. That's actually okay. No. What is this? Is this like a yeah, it's an action. Of course, we don't have the actual action here. So this is just. So it's going to do nothing for now. If quit, which we don't know what quit is. Yeah, we're gonna cheat. Oh. Sorry, okay. Okay, so let's do 10 add. And I don't know what the hell this is going to do. Oh! Oh my god. This. Oh, I truly. I have found the GUI of choice. Oh my god. Holy crap. Look at this. Look at that. Look, you can expand it. gets bigger, although that doesn't get bigger. It's not auto expand. And that gets a little screwed up when you start playing around with it a little bit too much. Yeah, let's just run it again. See what happens. Yeah. You know, I don't know why this cracks me up so much. Yeah. I'm speechless. It's so funny that this actually kind of works. So yeah. Alrighty. So okay. So we don't need. What we really want is like a button. And here's the look at it. You actually have to like label 3, 2. So is that like 1, 2? What? How does that actually work? 1, 2, 3. Then how does it like? And then that has to go over enough, and then it lines up there. Okay. And the reason these are all lining up is because the X is 3. And it is like 2, 3, 4, 1, 0. So this must be like, okay, so that's, okay, I get it, my app. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do here is actually take a print screen. I'm just going to throw this up in here for now. Throw up. Some people may be throwing up just looking at this going, you've got to be kidding me. You think this is a cool thing? And I'm like, I do. This is actually really cool. You know, probably could change even this. This is just hilarious. This just strikes me as totally... And actually cool because this is a console app and it's very quick to come up and it works. I'm actually kind of impressed. Okay, so let's see. How can I actually make this now? What I wanted to do is take a number and then put in the text box. Are there lists? Do they have like a list thing? They have list views. There's a list view. And then put all the values in the list. Let's try this. We're breaking new ground here. Okay. Collats gui.cs based application. Okay. And we're just going to have file quit. I don't want to like have I don't. Sorry, I don't want to have a ton of menus. So I just want to have this here, and then quit would be false. Okay, and then we're going to add some controls. So we're going to have here start and we'll keep that in there. We're going to get rid of the password. Secret. You gotta love that. You don't need to remember me. Okay, but we do want to say generate. Okay. And I think we can put this at 4. It's actually good to know. Escape and 9 to do the menu bar. Huh. Go figure. Okay. So then we want a new what do they call it again? A list view. New list view. And let's new rect. Three, 6. We'll say a width of. What is it doing here for text field? The width is 40. I don't know, let's just make it 40. Height, we'll say 10. And now my data source. Now see, okay, so this is where it's going to get interesting because I'm going to change this to, I'm going to say application here. I'm going to need okay, that's what I was looking for, is how in the world do you actually so clicked is a field, is an action, equals okay, fine. So what I want to do here is say collapse generator, no, collapse sequence equal to the default. Now when I click on this, so I'm going to have to, I got to capture some of these. Var value equal to a new text field. Except when you if value dot text. Okay, so this is where I want to say big integer try parse, giving the value text, and then we want to do out var start. What's the problem here? Great, so it's a uString. What the hell is a uString? So that's because the text in the entry. Yeah, but you do realize that you are in a .NET world, and why in the world Oh god, these rooms. I've heard of system room already. I don't know. I think if it's toString, that should be good enough, right? All right, so if you can actually convert it, then say sequence is equal to new start. And now I'm also going to have to grab the list here. Say var results is equal to the list view. Because if you did click on this and it did work, we want to say results dot source or set source to sequence that sequence. So that can actually I'll go figure. And you can just use a rect, right? You don't have to. Well, that kind of sucks. Immutable array dot of big integer empty. I'm gonna take that. All right, whatever. Okay, so if I click on the button and the value text so we're going to put here button, we're going to put here results, and we're going to put here this is the value. Alright, so I got a label and have a button, and when you click on the button it's going to try to parse it. If it can parse it, it's going to put that into the collapse sequence. And why do I even need a sequence there? I don't even think I need a... Yeah, oh, that should work. Yeah, what is this going to look like? Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Yeah, escape 9 does not bring up the and then quits. Press any key to continue. I don't know why. I don't know why this cracks me up so much. Window. We're just gonna name it window. Oh, and that's how it gets the positioning of the top window. Top level object user application. And this is just a oh, okay. All right, that's cool. Is there a way on the text on the list view to like somehow like say results.color scheme equals what? New color scheme? Can you do that? You have to say like color scheme dot new color. I was hoping it would actually have like some kind of a something to differentiate it with. So you can see it a little bit better, but it doesn't seem like it does. Color scheme definitions, they cover some comments. Oh, you know what? I could play with this, but for now, I'm just tickled pink that this can actually do. I just don't know why. But if I give that a huge number, and I say generate it, look at that. Just boom. It doesn't support scrolling though. I mean, how, you can't be too picky here, right? And then if I say I want really big, see now it's going to actually clip it. So it doesn't auto expand to your biggest value. Which you could rip through the. I wonder if you could rip through the sequence and say, auto expand out until you get to a certain place. But that is just so funny. And I bet if I ran this on Linux, it would actually run. You see, now we're starting to get some value. So if actually I said, like the width, I said top frame width -3, because that's what we want, right? So it doesn't get too out of whack. Yeah, it already did. Six. I guess this is where you start playing the guessing game, and going like, how far do you go with this? So it goes about that far. If I come back over here and make it a really, really big number, still not big enough. See now, so you've got the cursor there, but I can't actually like move in it, so to speak. It just lets me see the list here. But again, I mean, just the fact that this works is quite ridiculous. So, I'm pretty happy with this, and so we're going to end the episode here. Added in a gui.cs example. And this is definitely one I want to say, hey, run it Linux, and look, you got a GUI that you can run it Linux. Yay! All right, man, I gotta stop here because I'm getting loopy, and there's no way I could ever start on the Blazor one right now, even though the demo itself is probably going to be simple, but it's just, I just need sleep at this point. I'm tired. So I am going to stop here on a good note. So hope this has been entertaining with this one, and give gui.cs a try. You know you want to. So that's all the time I got for now. Thanks for watching. Leave all the comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.